The FBI confirmed Thursday that hackers breached their surveillance and wiretap systems. You know, the network that they use to spy on everyone else. Turns out somebody decided to return the favor, and this has been confirmed with multiple sources. So CNN, BleepingComputer, TechCrunch, Reuters, they're all confirming that this breach is real. So on March 5th, the FBI identified what they're calling a suspicious cyber activity on a sensitive network that handles FISA warrants and law enforcement wiretaps. Yeah, officials are working to determine how serious this breach is, but until further notice, we're just going to assume that they have no idea what they've got on their hands. So what we do know is that if attackers access this system, they could see details of active investigations, surveillance targets, and classified intelligence operations. And this is a real serious operations black eye, if you'll have it. Anyways, I'll update you with more on this story as it continues to develop. Moving on to our next story, LexisNexis, the legal research giant, got hacked. Now, I knew the name, but I didn't know exactly who or what LexisNexis is. Well, they serve law firms, government agencies, and judicial systems all over the world. Attackers claim that they breached the company's AWS cloud systems and leaked records tied to 400,000 users, including federal judges. The stolen data includes .gov accounts, enterprise customer credentials, and internal access tokens. Yeah, so if you're wondering who has access to confidential court documents and government investigations now, the answer is you probably don't. Yeah. So compromised credentials here could really give attackers access to sealed cases, ongoing litigation, and other sensitive legal research. Yeah, not good. The company confirmed the breach on March 3rd after hackers started leaking the files online, which again, also not good. So if you're actually a LexisNexis user, it would be wise to reset those credentials ASAP because, Your Honor, I got hacked is not a legal defense for the time being. All right. Last story of the day, folks. France just had one of its largest healthcare data breaches ever. 15.8 million medical records were stolen from a third-party software provider linked to the French health ministry. Yeah, the register is saying that stolen data includes doctor's notes, phone numbers, addresses, health information, basically everything that you'd want to kind of keep private, right? This happened again because, like I said, a third-party vendor got compromised, which is basically a reminder, folks, that your data is only as secure as the least secure company that has got access to it. So the exposed records very well could enable identity theft, insurance fraud, and targeted phishing attacks against vulnerable patients. French authorities are investigating, but again, let's face it, the damage has already been done. All we're preaching here is the same message as always. Healthcare providers should really probably audit their third-party vendors, triple check to ensure that patient data is encrypted, and if people are actually impacted, for the love of God, notify these people as quick as possible. All right, that about wraps up today's stories.